Hello students, in last video we have discussed about nth term of AP, that is represented by an having formula a plus n minus 1 into d. That nth term was from starting of AP, that is if any AP is given to us 10, 7, 4 up to minus 62. Then nth term we find from starting of AP. Now we will discuss about the question in which we have to find out nth term from last term of AP. Clear? From last term of AP, that is from last term to first term. Clear? For example, in that question AP is given to us and we have to find 11th term. Find 11th term from the last term. Firstly, we have to find total number of terms in that AP series. We know that here A, first term is 10 and common difference D is equal to 7 minus 10, that is equal to minus 3, and nth term, that is an, is equal to minus 62. We can apply the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, that is minus 3. Minus 62 minus 10, that is equal to minus 3 into n minus 1. Minus 72 is equal to minus of 3 into n minus 1. Minus will be cancelled out. 72 divided by 3, that is equal to n minus 1. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 fours are 12. N is equal to 24 plus 1 is equal to 25. Clear? We have to find 11th term from the last term. We can find it in two ways. How? First method is if we have to find 11th term from last term, then that will be our first term. Clear? And the term last term is 25th term, that is minus 62 will be our first term A, and D will remain same, that is equal to minus 62, and the term next from it will be the term from which we subtract minus 3, that is equal to minus 62. X is equal to minus 62 plus 3, that is equal to minus 59, that is minus 59. Clear? D will be, that is first term, that is second term. A2 minus A1, minus of minus 62, that is equal to minus 59 plus 62, that is equal to 3. Clear? Now D will be 3 and we have to find 11th term. Then an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equal to minus 62 plus 11 minus 1, that is equal to 10. 10 multiplied with 3, that is equal to 30, that is equal to minus 2, 9. Clear? That will be the 11th term from last. Or we can use second method. Second method is if we have to find any term, any number of term from last term, minus plus minus, that is 2, 3, that is minus 30. Okay? In second method, we can find the value directly. That is the formula for term from end to find term from end is equal to L minus M plus 1. Math done. Here L is total number of terms in AP and M is the number of terms to find from last term. And this question, if we put value of L that is last term is 25th term, minus M is 11th term from the last term, plus 1, that is equal to 25 minus 11, that will be 14, 14 plus 1, that is equal to 15th term. And we know that it means 11th term from the last will be 15th term from the starting, that is A15 will be A plus 14D, that is equal to A is 10 plus 14 and D is minus 3, that is equal to 10 minus 42, that is equal to minus 32. Answer will remain same, but it is a short method to find the term from end of the AP series. You can use any method here. First method is we take last term as first term and D will be changed. Then the term which we have to find out, that is 11th term from the starting. Now in second method, the method is L minus M plus 1. L is total number of terms in AP, M is the number of terms which we have to find out. Clear? Plus 1, that term will be the term from the end of the AP. Clear? Next question. In a flower bed, there are 23 rose plants in first row, 23 in first row, 21 in second row and 19 in third row and so on. There are 5 rose plants in last row. In last row we have 5 rose plants. How many rows are there in the flower bed? Here A is 23 and D will be A2 minus A1, that is equal to minus 2. Here last term, that is An, is 5 and we have to find out value of N. An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. An is 5, A is 23 plus N minus 1 into D. D is minus 2. 5 minus 23, that is equal to minus 2 into N minus 1. Minus 18 is equal to minus 2 into N minus 1. Minus is cancelled out. 18 divided by 2, that is equal to N minus 1. 2 9s are 18. N is equal to 9 plus 1, that is equal to 10. It means there are total 10 flower beds rows. Clear? Next question. AP have same common difference. 2 APs given है और उनका common difference आपको same given है. Let first AP is A1, A2, A3. Clear? And common difference is D. Similarly, we can consider second AP, that is B1, B2, B3. And it is given that both have same common difference. It means D is same. The difference between their 100th term, it means A100 minus B100 is given, that is equal to 100, and we have to find out difference between their 1000th term, that is equal to A1000 minus B1000 will be equal to dash. First of all, we solve it. A100 can be written as A plus n minus 1. N minus 1 means 100 minus 1 into D, that is 90. Similarly, B100 can be written as B plus 99D. Why? As the common difference is same, so we can take D as common difference for both AP. 100. A plus 99D minus B minus 99D, that is equal to 100. 99D is cancelled out, A minus B is equal to 100. Now we simplify A 1000 minus B 1000, that is equal to A plus 999D minus B plus 999D. A plus 999D minus B minus 999D. Positive negative quantities cancelled out, that is equal to A minus B. And from equation 1 we know that value of A minus B is equal to 100 from equation 1. Clear? Difference between 100 term of 2 AP is given to us and we have to find out difference between their 1000 term. So we can simplify A100 as A plus 99D and B100 as B plus 99D. D is same, A 99D minus 99D cancel out each other, A minus B is equal to 100. Similarly, if we simplify A 1000 minus B 1000 term, then it will be equal to A minus B, that is equal to 100. Clear? Next question is, find what value of n. We have to find out value of n for which 2 AP are equal. And 2 APs, first AP is 63, 65, 67. Second AP is 3, 10, 70. We have to find value of n for which nth term will be equal for both APs. Here in first AP, A is 63, that is first term, and common difference is 65 minus 63, that is equal to 2. And we know that formula for An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A is 63 plus n minus 1 into D. D is 2. We can simplify it. 63 plus 2n minus 2. 2 is multiplied with n and 1. 63 minus 2, that is equal to 61 plus 2. Similarly, in second AP, first term is 3. We can take it as B. And its common difference D1, that is equal to 10 minus 3, that is equal to 7. Similarly, we can find out its nth term. Its nth term will be B plus n minus 1 into D, and D is 7. 3 plus 7n minus 7, that is equal to 7n minus 4. Clear? It is given that for which value of n both nth term will be equal. So we put An is equal to Bn. 61 plus 2n is equal to 7n minus 4. 2n minus 7n is equal to minus 4 minus 61. Minus 5n is equal to minus 65. Minus is cancelled out. N is equal to 65 divided by 5. That is equal to 13. It means for n is equal to 13, 13th term of both AP will we have equal value. Clear? Next, determine the AP. We have to find out the AP series whose third term is given, that is A3 is equal to 16, and seventh term exceeds fifth term by 12. It means seventh term is equal to A5 plus 12. Seventh term is 12 more than fifth term. A3 can be written as A plus 2D, that is equal to 16, first equation. Similarly, A7 can be written as A plus 6D, that is equal to A plus 4D plus 12. A is cancelled out, 6D, 4D as in addition on right hand side, on left hand side it will become negative minus 4D is equal to 12. 2D is equal to 12, then value of D will be 12 by 2, that is equal to 6. Clear? Now we can put value of D in equation 1. Put D is equal to 6 in equation 1. A plus 2 into D. D is 6 is equal to 16. A plus 12, that is equal to 16. A is equal to 16 minus 12, that is equal to 4. And we have to find out AP series, then its second term will be A plus D, that is equal to A plus D, 10. Similarly, third term will be A plus 2D. A is 4 plus 2 into D is 6, 4 plus 12, that is equal to 16. Similarly, A4 will be A plus 3D, 3 into 6, 4 plus 18, that is equal to 22. So, AP series is 4, 10, 16, 22. Clear? Firstly, A3 can be written as A plus 2D is equal to 16, and it is given that 7th term exceeds 5th term by 12. It means 7th term is equal to 12 more than 5th term. We can open A7 as A plus 60 and A5 A plus 4D. A is cancelled out, 60 minus 4D is equal to 12, and value of D is equal to 6. By putting value of D in equation 1, we find out the value of A and other terms of AP series. Next question. Find the 20th term from the last term of AP series. AP series is given 3, 8, 13 up to 253. Clear? Here A is 3, first term. Common difference is A2 minus A1, 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5. And last term AN is 253. Clear? And you know the formula for AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. 253 minus 3, that is equal to 5 into N minus 1. 250, 5 is in multiplication on right hand side, on left hand side it will be in division. That is equal to N minus 1. 5 5s are 25, 0. N is equal to 50 plus 1, that is equal to 51. It means that AP consists of 51 terms, and we have to find 20th term from the last term. 20th term from the last term. And we know that for it we have formula, that is L minus M plus 1th term. That is L is total number of terms in AP series, and we have find out it is equal to 51 terms, minus value of M is 20 plus 1. That is equal to 51 minus 20. That is equal to 31 plus 1. That is 32th term. And we can find out value of A32. That is equal to A plus 31D. And value of A is 3 plus 31 into value of D is 5. That is equal to 3 plus, that is equal to 158. Clear? Firstly, we find total number of terms in that AP series. That is equal to AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. 253 minus 3 is equal to 5 into N minus 1. value of n is equal to 51. For 20th term from the last term, we use the formula L minus m plus 1th term. L is 51 minus 20 plus 1. 51 minus 20, that is 31, plus 1, that is 30. 12th term, A32 will be A plus 31D. A is 3 and D is 5. 3 plus 155, that is equal to 158. Clear? In next question, we have given sum of two terms, that is sum of 4th and 8th term, that is A4 plus A8 is equal to 24, and sum of 6th and 10th term is equal to 44. Find the first three terms of AP. To find first three terms, firstly we have to find value of A, that is first term, and second one is B, common difference. We know that A4 can be written as A plus 3D. Similarly, A8 can be written as A plus 7D. That is equal to 24. A plus A, 2A plus 7 plus 3, 10. D is equal to 24. 2 can be taken common. 2 into A plus 5D, that is equal to 24. Then A plus 5D is equal to 24 by 2, that is equal to 12. First equation. Similarly, we can simplify A6 as A plus 5D and A10 as A plus 9D is equal to 44. 2A plus 14D is equal to 44. We can take 2 common from both sides, then A plus 7D is equal to 22. That will be the second equation. Now we can subtract equation 1 from equation 2. A plus 7D is equal to 22 and A plus 5D is equal to 12. On subtraction, sign will be changed. Now A is cancelled out. 7D minus 5D, that is equal to 2D is equal to 22 minus 12, that is equal to 10. D is equal to 10 by 2, that is equal to 5. Now we can find value of A by putting it in equation 1. Put D is equal to 5 in equation 1. We can put it in equation 2 also. A plus 5 into D. D is 5 is equal to 12. A is equal to 12 minus 5 5s are 25. A is equal to minus 30. Here that is the value of A, that is first term. Now we have to find out first three terms, that is A2. A2 is equal to A plus D. A is minus 13 plus and D is 5 minus 8. Similarly, third term will be A plus 2D, that is equal to minus 13 plus 2 into 5, that is equal to minus 13 plus 10. Plus minus minus, that is equal to minus 3. Similarly, for A4 will be A plus 3D, that is equal to minus 13 plus 3 into 5. Minus 13 plus 15, that is equal to 2. Clear? Firstly, we solve out the given equations in the form of A and D. Then we find value of A and D by solving these two equations. Then put the values to find second term, third term and fourth term. Clear? Last question is Subba Rao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000. It means starting salary, that is A, was 5,000 rupees and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. Increment is received per year, that is D, rupees 200. Now, in which year did his income reach rupees 7,000? an is given, it means 7,000 rupees, that is n. We have to find out value of n, that is in how many years his income will increase from 5,000 to 7,000. We know the value of an, so we can put it in formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is 7,000, a is 5,000 plus n minus 1 and d is 200. 7,000 minus 5,000, that is equal to 200 into n minus 1. 2,000 divided by 200, that is equal to n minus 1. 10, n is equal to 10 plus 1, that is equal to 11. In 11 years, income of Subbarao will increase from 5,000 to 7,000. Clear? Now, there is a question for you. You have to solve it in your notebooks and write the answer in comment box. Ramkari saved ₹5 in the first week of a year and then increased her weekly savings by rupees 1.75. If in the nth week her weekly savings become rupees 20.75, then find n. In that question, value of a and d is given to you similarly as in the above question, and value of an is also given to you. You have to find out the value of n. Clear? In next video, we will discuss about sum of n terms of AP. Today, I will tell you the formula for sum of n terms of AP. Sum of n terms of AP is represented by Sn, that is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here Sn is sum of n terms of AP. Clear? Sn is sum of n terms, sum of first n terms of AP. N is total number of terms in AP series given to you. Here A is the first term of AP and D is the common difference of AP. Now we can open it n by 2 into 2a can be written as a plus n minus 1 into d. Here, and we know that is the formula of nth term, a plus n minus 1 into d. N by 2 into a plus an, or we can replace an by l, that is a plus n. If a and d is given to you and n is given to you, then you can use this formula to find the value of sum of n terms of AP. If value of first and last term is given to you and n is also given to you, then you can use this formula to find value of Sn directly. Clear? In next lecture, we will discuss sums related to that formula. Clear? Okay students, if you like the video, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notification for next video. Thank you.